Hello everyone, welcome to GK Today, and in this video we will be discussing about Mega Investment Textile Parks Mitra scheme to be launched. So the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced during the Union Budget 2021 presentation that the government has proposed a Mega Investment Textile Parks Mitra scheme. So now what are the highlights of the scheme? See, the scheme will enable the textile industry to become globally competitive. It will help the industries to attract large investments and boost employment generation besides boosting the exports. The scheme will also help in creating a world-class infrastructure with plug-and-play facilities. This in turn will create global champions in exports. Further, the scheme will be launched in addition to the production-linked incentive scheme. Now, what is production-linked incentive scheme? So, it is a central sector scheme, and the scheme was notified in April 2020 for the large-scale electronics manufacturing. This was notified with the objective of providing the financial incentives for domestic manufacturing of goods, and the scheme also seeks to attract large investments. It was initially launched for domestic manufacturing of mobile phones and specific electronics components, and in the later phase, it was rolled out for the pharmaceutical ingredients and medical devices. Now, what is incentives offered under the PLI scheme? See, this scheme provides 4% to 6% incentive on incremental to the eligible companies who are manufacturing goods for 5 years period. The companies that are registered in India and involved in the manufacturing of goods are covered under the target segments of the scheme. These companies are eligible for the incentives under the scheme. Coming to the textile industry in India, so the textile and apparel industry is the earliest industries in India. It has an inherent and unique strength of incomparable employment potential. This sector is the biggest employer after agriculture. It directly provides employment to 4.5 crore people and 6 crores employments in the elite sectors. India is the second largest manufacturer of textiles and clothing across the world, and it is also the second largest exporter of textiles and apparel, and it has a share of 5% in the global trade.